Happy New Year, everybody. I want to let you guys know I haven't been deserting you. I've just been waiting for this shop to open up again. It's been shut down with COVID, and my 87's been languishing out here since November 5th. I did all the work to fix the rust, and it was supposed to be in and out, and then they got sick, and they've been closed ever since. I talked to the owner's wife last week or before Christmas, and they hope to get this car done in January once they get things up and going again. I hope that's true, but I'm really behind on my projects. After this ever gets done from this place, I'm going to replace the fillers front and back and have the body work professionally done. As you know from previous videos, it's just been a really disappointing series of events waiting to get this car's roof done and on to the next stages, but everything at a dead stop. And my own life is kind of busy with a new baby. He's 7 months now, and taking care of him and my older children, and plus my full-time job is extremely busy. I've been working full-time before Christmas anyway, and now I'm going back at it again tomorrow. But I wanted to wish you all a Happy New Year and let you know where I am with my projects. 87 at a dead stop. 58 will be going to the welding shop. I talked to the welder, my welding friend. He's thinking maybe February, and that would be great to get her welded up. If I can find any time, I'm going to try and get that engine out of that car before it goes to the welding shop, so I can work on getting a running engine for it. I have the 390 I got from Ottawa on my engine stand, but I haven't done much else to it just because I've been too busy with paid work. But I haven't forgotten about anything, but this car has been stopped. It's out of my control. And the 58 is just waiting for welding and me to have time to work on the mechanicals. But it's just been, as everybody else has been, everything's slowed down with COVID. Supplies took a while to get the materials. Even to get the fillers took a while to get the fillers. Everything is just backlogged. Some people say they're on ships and container ships somewhere stranded, all these parts, but I haven't forgotten about it. My YouTube channel, I just had nothing to report. So I figured I was overdue to let you guys know what's going on. But I am rather pleased looking at this car for the first time in 2 months, how nice it came out. I did a good job, if I don't say so myself. But either way, thank you all for watching again, and I'm hoping to ramp things up soon as you know, the car gets back from this place. They do great work here. I say nothing bad about them. It's not their fault they got sick, but I do want this car done. So please stay well, everybody. Happy New Year, and I will see you all down the road.